So right now the time is 3:37 and we have to go for 4 to take a bus. Actually not all families going. So it's a personal private bus. We have to have so much and I'm like sleepy but I have to get a bath and I was what about snow bed. I'm pairing it with my wristband. Hi everyone, good morning. So finally we are like out of Delhi, like finally, and wishing कि हम लोग बाद में वो बाहर निकल जाए. Guys, now finally we are out of Delhi. Like we are in Delhi. I actually don't know. You can see the tractor, right? So we're gonna just go out and have fun. I'm gonna to vlog throughout so that you'll also see my Haridwar vlog and I'll show you the beautiful sky. Everyone, my brother wants to say something. Hello. Hi everyone, real juice check. Yes, real juice. Afternoon, I know that the background is having so much of noise, but yeah, I hope you can listen me. Okay, so guys, I'm not able to, I'll not eat it. So here are some nashpatis which I don't like at all. So I'm not gonna to eat it while we are at a place where there is a lot of sunshine, like literally there are a lot of sunshine. Hope you can hear me. Like guys, there is a lot of shore because obviously we are having with the family which is so much. हाय एवरीवन, सो अभी बज रहे हैं 8:01. यू कैन बिलीव दैट इतनी धूप हो रही है कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि आफ्टरनून हो रहा है. लाइक लिटरली आई हैव टू कीप माई माइक बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, बहुत ज़्यादा बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक है. बट या, वेलकम टू द व्लॉग. वी गोइंग टू ट्रैवल हरिद्वार टुगेदर. सो दिस इज माई डैडी, दिस इज माई ताऊजी, दिस इज माई ब्रदर. हाय हाय एवरीवन. सो 8:04 हो चुके हैं और मैं बोर हो रही थी तो मैंने कुछ खाया है जैसे कि डाइट नमकीन फ्रूट्स. हम लोग सब लाइक इतना भर भर के लाया ना, बता नहीं सकते. एक टूर उसको भी बहुत जने दूंगी और पता नहीं हम कितने बजे पहुँचेंगे. ऑब्वियसली अब तो घंटे लग रहे हैं और मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ये काम करना है, यू नो व्हाट. और ये वाला ब्लॉग को पूरा एंजॉय कीजिएगा. हमको बताइएगा कि हमने कहाँ पे प्रिकॉशन थोड़े कम ले लिए, मैंने क्या ब्लॉग गलती में की है. ओके ओके, बाय. अभी मौका मिला है व्लॉगिंग करने का, तब से बहुत ज़्यादा शोर भी था और जहाँ पे मैं बैठी थी वो एक कन्वीनियंट जगह नहीं थी जहाँ पे मैं व्लॉगिंग करूँ. सो लाइक दैट्स द प्लेस वेयर आई कैन व्लॉग, बट यू कैन नॉट सी मी राइट नाउ यू कैन सी मी. सो वी जस्ट नाउ स्टॉप्ड एट अ पेट्रोल पम्प टू जस्ट गेट देम फ्रेशन अप एंड गेट दिस car to the CNG. You heard me right, CNG. And now I don't know when we will be getting, but yeah, now it's 8:38. I think we would be at Haridwar at like 10. I really don't know about the time, so I'll not be confirming that. But yeah, we're gonna to chit chat. I'm gonna to set the camera in a way you can see me. Setting right. Okay, now you can see me. So I'm gonna to tell you what's inside my bag, which you have seen I think. Just a minute. Oh my god. If you don't know, इधर बाहर कुछ ट्राइपॉड भी नहीं है एंड कुछ भी नहीं है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है कैमरा सेट करना एंड या बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है। Hi everyone, so right now the timings are 8:41 and as I said that I'm going to chit chat with you. Yeah, you heard me right. So now I can just set my camera because taking tripod at this place also gets the hurried while I don't have a tripod. But yeah, you know what, it's happening and it creates a power. So now I'm gonna write something. You know what, I should like apply this stuff. So now I'm gonna to write something in my diary which I bought it yesterday itself. Yeah. So this is, oh my god, the pen. I don't know, today's camera setting is so very hard. This is the pen. While if I shoot in home, night doesn't happen regularly, obviously not at all. But with you, the car is moving, right? So that is why the camera is duling so much. I can't express that what. But I'm trying to just pull my camera. So okay, here everyone, we are headed towards like Haldiram and we are over here. You can see I think Megdi is there. Yeah, Megdi. Okay, so Megdi is there and behind that Haldiram is also there. So we are taking full precautions, our temperatures are being checked and we are fully safe and we are heading towards Haldiram to eat something because I'm really hungry, really. Okay, so I've eaten while I cannot shoot over there because the camera wasn't allowed there, but I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm just heading with my backpack and like having fun. Here's the location of the Haldiram. Just as you can see over there is Magdi and chaat ki gully. There are a lot of street foods also over there, but we are not taking any risk to go to street because obviously the street foods have no temperature checking, so we are like a kind of scared. So we're going to Haldiram straightforwardly, and actually we're done eating it and now I'm cheating it. I don't know why, but yeah. We are heading towards Haldiram. Magdi is over there, like yummy and tasty. Everyone is having, right? So we are heading towards Haldiram and I'll meet you really very soon. But not we are on Starbucks and we're gonna to have a coffee because I'm so much thirsty. You cannot believe, and I don't like anything except cappuccino from Starbucks. So let's try that. Something actually we're not going because it's in street food and there's no temperature checking. While we were on Starbucks over there. We were just booking and we were just seeing everything. So we got over here. It does look so pretty, guys. It looks so pretty. Just headed out of Haldiram. Actually, before we were headed out of Haldiram, and now we are at the way of Haridwar. Like finally, you know what? Irritate me बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है because we are 4 o'clock from the we were out of our houses from 4 in the morning and now like literally it's 12 like 11:56 and like how come you say that it's too hot also and we are waiting for a destination from a long time, right? Yeah, so we have to wait and my papa said that it's very less kilometers left, so yeah, we're gonna to go and vlog it there. हम पहुंच चुके हैं hopefully, yeah. So अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं I think हरिद्वार और मुझे तो थोड़ा डर लग रहा है कि अगर इतनी गर्मी अभी पड़ जाए तो गंगा का पानी में तो गर्म हो जाएगा और जब हम डुबकी लगाएंगे तो भाई कितना गर्म होगा, तो वो मूवमेंट देख लेंगे। पूरा व्लॉग देखना आप बिल्कुल मत भूलना और आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कल वीडियो आएगी, ऑब्वियसली नहीं आ पाएगी बिकॉज एडिटिंग में हर पार्ट अलग उसमें जैसे मैं अभी स्नैपचैट में शूट कर रही हूँ, कभी मैं कैमरे में शूट कर रही हूँ, दैट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू एडिट प्रॉपर्ली, सो दैट इज दैट hopefully I'll try my best to bring the video on Monday, but I don't think so I will. So yeah, watch the video to the end and I have done a lot of hard work, right? Because doing in this hot vlogging is so difficult because my mobile has to be charged and I have not got my charger even. So I'll just hello guys. व्यूज एंड आगे भी है. We have a lot of fun. So over there we were not allowed to shoot. So that is why I have just a pic that I was in Ganga and I was actually bathing and had a lot of fun. And over there was water. So after I bought, we were changing and I clicked this pic and there was a rush, but yeah, it was okay for there. So afterward we headed towards Mannat Hotel to just have something, and over there was a lot of greenery and I clicked the pic. Bolu, Kanhaiya Lal ki Hi everyone. So this today is if you like to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I stopped recording after I was like bathed because I was so tired, and we didn't did that much because we were on the car, and then we just went for eating and we didn't did anything. So I didn't record also. So yeah, the today is if you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I took like days and days to edit it because all the clips were here and there, and that took me a lot of time. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.